Hey, thanks for checking in. I've got a story for you today. A while back, I was going on a walk with my daughter, and she looked up at me out of the blue and says, "Hey Dad, one thing that I want to do in my life is find buried treasure." And I remembered that, and I thought, you know what? That sounds like it'd be a fun activity. For her 5th birthday a few months later, we did exactly that, and she loved it. The kids had a blast. It was very easy to set up. It was very inexpensive to do. I documented the whole process in case you would like to do the same with your kids. Here's how I did it.
First, I needed a map. I used a piece of off-white paper and cut up some of the edges with a razor blade. Then I singed them a little bit with a lighter to give it that aged look. Then I sketched my yard on the map in pencil before going back over it with markers. I've got the treasure spot marked along with a hidden key, although it didn't look quite aged enough yet. So Gary and I played with it for a little bit. And then it was looking like a proper treasure map. Now to the garage. I used a chain and lock I had on this metal box as a treasure chest to be buried underground. For the treasure, I used some old pesos, souvenir coins, and foreign transportation tokens, none of which has much of, if any, value. The pesos have an ancient look to them with the birds and the Aztec-inspired art. That seemed more exciting to me than digging up some regular American coins. You can get old pesos like these on eBay for cheap. I put them in this old wooden box I made years ago. Then wrapped up the wooden box in a rag and put it inside the metal box to protect it from moisture underground. It's all locked up and ready to go in the ground, to the backyard. I've dug down about a foot and put the box in a garbage bag because it's been raining and the ground's wet. In you go. After filling in the hole, I marked the spot with an X. I put a few keys in a bag and hid it all the way up by the house by an old tree stump as shown on the map. With everything spread out, the kids should run off some sugar from that birthday cake. A couple of days later, the weather was perfect for the party. We did all the traditional activities like cake, presents, and piñata. And then, when the kids thought the fun was over, I got out the map, shovels, and sent the kids on a treasure hunt.
Take it out. I got it!
Whoa, good. Let's pull it out, see what's in there. Can you open it? You know what that is? It's a lock. Do you have a key to open that? Did you look at the map? Was there a key on the map? Is there a stump back here? See the lock?
Got it! Open it! Ah! That's it! Money! I found money!
Kind of money.
This money!
It's not regular money, is it? Once you get to the deck and look at it? Alright. Go check it out. Yeah, there's some water back here. It rained a lot. It's alright though. You're wearing no shoes, so go for it. Get muddy. Sometimes you gotta get dirty when you find buried treasure.